Let's have a look at this Medion bar speaker with wireless subwoofer. This one is sold by Aldi stores, I believe, because it's Medion. And this is the bar speaker. That's the model number, which is MD84295/51549. I think that's the model number. 2.1 soundbar premium, 20 watts. It has auxiliary input, optical input, HDMI, ARC, and this is the AC figure 8 socket. In front we have 4 buttons: power button, source selector, and volume up and down, and 2 small LEDs. Also, it has built-in Bluetooth. One thing I don't like about this speaker is that the speaker drivers are here. I prefer if the speaker driver was in here, so there you have bigger separation between left and right stereo. But as you can see, I'm not sure if you can see it or not. If you get the right angle, maybe you can see the driver here. I think, no, not this one. This the speaker driver. Maybe you can see it a little bit. There's a circle. So it's here. As you can see, it's almost in the middle, and the other one is here. So it's here and here. If you compare it to this Samsung bar speaker, which is the same size, this one has the drivers, one here and one here, so there's a big separation. Like, I think we have two drivers, one here, and one here, 2 per channel. While this one are here, which is not great. Here we have a sticker for NFC connection, so you just touch your phone here and it will connect by Bluetooth automatically. And you can twist this to separate them, like so, for storage. That's how they came in the box when you buy them new. This one is just a speaker driver. You can tell from the wires. We have only 2 pins, terminals, so there's only the speaker driver here, and this one has all the circuit boards, the power supply, and the amplification. The subwoofer, this is the driver. It's small, but it has a nice bass. And this is the back, 30 watts, and there's one button with the LED for pairing with the speakers. So let's give them a quick test, then we'll take them apart and see the inside. LED on, source, I think it's Bluetooth now. It's blinking and it's blue, and green, it's one of the other options. I don't remember which one is which, but I remember that the blue is the Bluetooth. So let's keep it on blue. and connect my phone. Do I? So it's connected now. Yeah, stopped blinking. Let's see. Are you sure you want to pair the device? Yes.
Paired.
Paired, okay. Okay, I will be skipping the music because I don't want to get any copyright strike. So let's play something.
Change the way you
Okay, let's turn the subwoofer off and see the difference. So this is the subwoofer. Okay, my music stopped for some reason. It's buffering. So this is without subwoofer. With subwoofer, without, with. So the subwoofer is not very strong, but it give it a depth when it's on, especially if you place them somewhere away from each other. Let's have a look at the subwoofer visually. So you get the idea. So I'll start with the subwoofer to get it out of the way. We have 4 screws here. So this is everything, except for the driver. This is the power supply, pulse width modulation, and this is the power amplifier by the look of it, and this is the wireless module that connects with the main speaker board. Very simple, not complicated. And this is the woofer driver, 4 ohm, no wattage mentioned. So we have 4 screws here, 2 here and 2 here. This one also has 2 here and 2 here, but I don't think we need to open these two. I'll try with these 4. So we have a infrared remote sensor, but I don't have the remote controls missing, and we still don't have access to the circuit board. I opened all these screws, but still cannot pull it out, so probably will leave it as is, because I don't think it's really interesting. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. If you would like to see other videos about other brands or models of bar speakers, check somewhere here. See you next time.